So we just got back from going to church this morning, and here are all the beautiful babies, and they're whimpering a little bit, but we have to point out, poor poopy puppy Kanye. Somebody pooped on him, and he's gonna have to have a bath right away, if not sooner. Isn't that right? Poor little babies. We'll be back on live stream a little bit later. Oh, what are you talking about, Lil Naz? What? Are you finding your voice? Are you finding your voice? Oh! What are you talking about, Lil Naz? Oh! Oh my! Oh, Lil Naz howling. Are you howling? Oh! And what's going on over here? Who do we have? Is that, oh, it is Usher giving Prince a taste of his own medicine with a little bit of wrestling. Poor poopy Kanye. All right, we'll get you fixed up. I know. Okay, let's go get you a bath, big boy.